good price. I found some around me, but they're pretty rusted and dented up, and supposedly this guy's saying that the bed is rust free, there's no dents. I asked him if there's any damage at all, and he said, one of those guys, you know, he's like, no dents. He's like, maybe a couple scratches, but I doubt it. So we'll see how true this guy, everybody says that. Rust free, perfect condition. I'll probably get there and it's all beat to hell. So we're like 2 hours into our drive. We got another 2.5 hours left. So I got Dr. Johnson with me right now.
Hello, Moto.
He don't want me to call him by his government name.
Sometimes.
I got my buddy with me. He's coming with me. So I was gonna bring the trailer, but you can see in there that there's, wow, it looks pretty cool in there, honestly, when you go like that. I have no trailer with me. My dad decided to fill it up with like 5 yards of topsoil, and asked me if I had a trailer to go get the bed. When I asked him to use the fucking trailer,
Greg.
yeah, good old Greg. So we're gonna try and just go bed rail to bed rail and stick the door in the tailgate. I ended up finding the back left door the same color as the truck. This door we're picking up is the passenger rear. So all I got to do is find the 2 front doors, and then I gotta have Dr. Johnson here doctor up the cab corners and rockers for me.
Put a Band-Aid on it.
Do you think we should just do that? Just put a bunch of Band-Aids all over it?
Yeah, that'd be sweet.
Didn't even record any of that because guy wasted my time. I just drove 4.5 hours to find out that the rust-free bed was rust-free. Right side wheel well was rusted out. There were 2 or 3 rails were rotted out. Somebody hit the back of it, pushed the bumper in, pushed the back of the bed in. It was just a piece of shit. So I ended up just getting the got the door. Oh, of course. Got the door in the tailgate, and heading back now. 4.5 hours for a fucking door and a tailgate.
Happy birthday, Moto.
Right, literally it's my birthday too, so that's fun. Whew. Alrighty, so I ended up going to the junkyard the other day, and I was just on my way home from work, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna stop in here and see what they got. So yeah, I didn't have any tools with me or anything, and it was the same truck as mine, just a gasser. And I ended up finding a rust-free door, but the bottom half of it was black. And I ended up it was somebody, it looked plasti dipped it, I think. So I ended up peeling it off, cleaned it all up, and then ended up painting the bottom half right here. So I just did it with a can. This is not the way it's gonna end up looking. I'm not gonna leave it like this. I truthfully just wanted to put it on there, just to put it on the truck to make sure it fits good. And once so I'm not going to go through all this work of taking this whole door apart, window trim, everything on the inside, and then prime it, you know, sand it, prime it, paint. I'm not going to do all that just to find out that the door don't fit. So I just made it match on the bottom for now, and we're going to go throw it on the truck. Yeah, it was pretty cool. 50 bucks. I didn't take any tools with me. This guy that was sitting underneath the truck next to me ended up hopping out from underneath his truck and took it off for me. So I didn't even have to take it off. I'm just going to put it on. So I'm gonna grab myself a couple tools here and go get this door off. right, let's see the time. That door took 2 minutes to take off. That was it, 2 minutes. Man, I can't wait to actually just start tearing this thing down and just go through the whole truck. But I'm gonna grab the other door and we're gonna put that guy on. All right. Yeah, that door's got to come way in up top. I just threw them on just to tighten them up. So it looks like the bottom is actually pretty decent. So maybe if we just loosen up this guy right here and push it in a little bit. Try that. I had that quart of oil right there holding the door shut for me.
That fits well. And that looks way better.
Yeah, just the one clean door.
Yeah.
The fender, the hood, and the one door is the only clean thing on this truck right now. But I haven't actually showed this. This is what we ended up going to Ohio for. This is all we got. Should have gotten to bed, but these will be getting on here very soon. There's you see that big chunk right here?
What?
Tailgate, the red.
Oh yeah.
Lucas ripped that off my truck at the campground. I was walking around with it. I'm like, thanks, man. That actually hits up top right there a little bit. Yeah, we got to do some more adjusting. All right, well, I think this is about as close as we're gonna get it right now. It lines up pretty good, but up here in the top corner, when you shut this door, it's actually hitting a little bit right now. And these hinges are actually bad. All right, somebody stopped by. They dropped me off a coffee maker. Yeah, up here it's hitting right now, and this hinge on the bottom here is actually bad. So when we get this door right here, we will get new hinges for it. These hinges are good. I got to take off the door panel and the harness and the speaker out of that one over there, and then I'm going to put it in this one, just because when we were there taking it off, we didn't have actually anything to pop that connector out. So just had to screw it and ripped it out of there. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that here in a second. All right, so I ended up just stopping that video right there. We got that passenger rear door that's black. We got the tailgate that's black. I ended up just getting all the adhesive and everything off of the tailgate, because I'm taking the truck over to a buddy's house because he has a pretty big driveway and a lot of stuff there, so it'll be easier to do it there. So once I get there, I'm gonna start taking the doors apart. Or we're gonna take a truck apart first and get the cab corners and rockers put in, and then we will tear all these doors apart and, you know, spray those doors. We're gonna prime them, paint them, clear them. That's hopefully the plan. But I ended up just throwing the driver rear door on just to make sure that it fits, and it was a red door, so why not just drive around with one less rusty panel on it. I am looking for 2 front doors right now. I did find a bed, and I'm hopefully gonna go try and get that sometime this week. But yeah, if anyone has or knows anyone that has 2 rust-free doors that are power, I don't want crank, let me know. Just comment below or something. My buddy Justin, you guys seen him in a lot of videos. He will actually be letting me use the 6.0 for a while until my truck is done. He actually ended up getting a new truck, so we'll be showing that here soon. I actually gotta go pick it up for him, and I'll be driving it before he does, so it's kind of sweet. But yeah, just if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Smash that thumbs up if you like this video, and just stay tuned. Hopefully we'll be getting some more parts here soon and tear this thing apart. I'm excited for it, so thanks for watching.